I was searching for forgiveness, trying to outrun my past. Every road I took without you never seemed to truly last. Then I heard about a Savior who gave everything in love, how you chose to bear my burden so I could be called your own. Now I see your mercy written in the story of your grace. Jesus, you're the beauty of the cross, love displayed for all to see. When you gave your life to save me, you changed my whole eternity. Jesus, you're the beauty of the cross, mercy flowing from your hands. What looked like defeat became redemption. Now forever on that hillside, carrying the weight of sin. Though the nails were meant to hold you, it was love that kept you there. Every wound became a promise, every drop of blood spoke grace, and the darkest day in history became the dawn of saving faith. Now my heart will keep on singing of the love that set me free. Jesus, you're the beauty of the cross, love displayed for all to see. When you gave your life to save me, you changed my whole eternity. worship the King, Jesus.